Hello everyone, my name is Rodell Barrientos and it's a pleasure to present our work on heroin vaccines. These are my disclosures. The proposed vaccine is composed of a hapten, a carrier protein, and an adjuvant. We use our liposome formulation in aluminum hydroxide as the adjuvant. The immunogen is composed of haptens, or surrogate molecule resembling the target drug, linked to the tetanus toxoid carrier protein. The goal of the vaccine is to induce antibodies that could bind heroin and addictive metabolites. Together with our collaborators at NIDA, we develop haptens with varying functionalities in the C6 position, an acetamide, a hydroxyl, and an acetate respectively in haptens 1, 2, and 3. These haptens were conjugated to tetanus toxoid. We tested the vaccines in mice. We vaccinated mice at weeks 0, 3, 6, and 14 and collected blood at indicated weeks for ELISA measurements. On week 16, we challenged the mice with 1 mg per kilogram heroin subcutaneously. Figure B shows the ELISA results, showing increasing antibody levels with time. Figure C shows that only hapten 3 was effective against heroin. We tested the serum binding of heroin, 6-acetylmorphine, and morphine using equilibrium dialysis and LC-MS-MS. Figure E shows the results of binding measurements. None of the serum bound heroin. Hapten 1 and hapten 3 induce antibodies that bound 6-acetylmorphine. Only hapten 2 induce antibodies that bound morphine. The binding data suggested that hapten design impacted antibody selectivity. Using 3D molecular modeling, we hypothesized that the drug epitopes recognized by antibodies are shown with the blue arc in this slide. Hapten 1 and hapten 3 have similar structure with 6-acetylmorphine, which explains the binding data. Hapten 2 resembles morphine, which explains the binding results. Finally, heroin has an extra acetate group in the C3 position, and none of the haptens had this functional group. Hence, antibodies did not bind heroin. In summary, immune response to heroin and metabolites was successfully induced. Anti-sera had distinct selectivity dictated by hapten design. The face of the hapten projected away from the linker attachment site determines selectivity, and antibody selectivity can be tuned by varying the functional group in the epitope. I would like to thank the following individuals for their efforts. This project was supported by the NIH Hill Initiative. Thank you very much.